AI is transforming the world, but do you need an advanced degree to understand it? Not at all. Today, we are comparing two books that break down AI from different perspectives. AI Engineering by Chip Huyen and AI for Everyone by Sridhar Seshadri and Shreeram Iyer. Which one should you read? Let's find out. AI Engineering for Builders and Developers. This book is for those who want to create AI applications using foundation models. It dives deep into AI engineering, evaluation techniques, model adaptation, prompt engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, and cost optimization. Ideal for tech professionals looking to build AI-powered products efficiently. AI for Everyone, for curious minds and beginners. This book simplifies AI for everyday readers. It explains AI concepts in an easy-to-understand way with real-world examples. Perfect for students, business leaders, and anyone new to AI who wants to grasp its fundamentals. Comparison. First, best for developers? AI Engineering, it's hands-on, technical, and cutting-edge. Second, best for beginners? AI for Everyone, it's simple, engaging, and practical. Third, which one wins? Depends on your goal. Want to build AI? Go for Chip Huyen's book. Just curious about AI? Pick AI for Everyone. Want to dive into AI? Grab the book that fits you best. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which AI book are you reading next?